when you have figured that what I need to do in this life and you are working on it, if someone comes and say this to you that this will not work for you, give zero thoughts, give them ignorance. But if they come second day and they say this to you, I already told you that don't do this, it will not work for you, the answer from you must be get out of here. Sorry for my harsh language, but trust me guys, it works. Now why this? Because see, whenever we start doing something, the very biggest fear we have is what will people think? What will my friends think? What will my neighbors think? The friends who haven't done anything substantial in their life, the neighbors who has hundreds of problems whom they don't know their solution, and the people who will be not there in your connection list when you are in 40s and 50s. So giving a zero thought when someone comes and stops you from doing something good in your life is the best way. And why this topic? Guys, see, whenever we want to start doing something, this is the biggest blocker we have. And when we think about like what will others think, what will people think, what will neighbors think, you won't do anything, you won't start anything. So the very first thing is that you need to stop taking that judgment from others, stop taking that affirmations from the others. And the second thing is that you don't judge anyone. Now there are two things guys. The first thing is, whenever someone approaches you with a thought or with something they want to start doing, stand like a pillar, support them, figure it out what they lack and give them the way. In this, you are helping the other person and yourself also. And the second thing, whenever you are stuck in some place or whenever you have did n number of things and if you are still not getting the results, take advice from the person who has done something substantial in that, who has achieved something great in that. So by doing these two things, you are going into the positive side. And all this thought about what people will think, what my neighbors will think, what my friends will think, has no impact on you and should not be any impact on you. Because whenever you allow them to get in your head, it lowers your confidence. And when the confidence is low, it will happen that you will not perform that particular thing at the best. It's just like you preparing for your exam, you going and writing the exam, and you're going back home and asking your mom, will I pass or not? It's wrong, because you have prepared for the exam, you have wrote that exam, you should know that will you pass or not. Nobody else can tell you that. So whenever you are starting something, start it. Don't have any fear of what people will say. Don't have any fear of how people will judge you. They really don't matter when you are into your 40s and 50s. And the secret of the happiness is that you love and you do what is your passion and you drive all your energy towards it. And when someone tells you that why you're doing this and you shouldn't have done this, give zero thoughts. Don't think about them. So stop worrying about all the other people. Do what you love. Drive all the energy towards it and you will surely get the results. And don't think about any people, any neighbors, any friends who are not allowing you to do something, because they are in the very wrong place in their life. They are not doing something substantial in their life. And whenever someone approaches you, be like a supporting pillar. Tell them that you do this thing this way. And don't judge anyone. You should not judge anyone, and stop taking affirmation from outside world. You figure it out what you want to do. You figure it out how things gonna work for you, because your dreams are different and the journey will be also different. I hope you love this video. Please hit a like, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.